Did you miss me?
I'm back, guys, after almost 6 months of hiatus. For now I'm going to create a pixel platformer game. Shout out and special thanks to our friend Penzilla for the base body. After creating the pixel ground and character, we're going to test the animation. After that, script some basic character movements by scripting the state machines, such as jump, walk, idle and double jump.
I like to increase the size of my penis. Right. Like I need that.
And done, we can now move the character and collide with the ground. In the next devlog, we will create character attacks and enemies. Hit like, share, and subscribe for more of my game development journey.